Good morning, students. In this video session, I am going to explain one illustrative example which is present in the fifth unit. Okay, that is file concept. Okay, so now we can see this example. First, program to transaction processing using random access of file. The previous video sessions already I taught you what is random access and what are the ways we can able to access the file using random access. fseek, ftell, then rewind. These are the three functions which is used for accessing the file randomly. Actually, this program is transaction program is nothing but explaining the banking concept. So in this program, I used different concepts like structure, then function, then file. I used to implement this program. Okay, so first, what's the logic of the program? I am generating one structure, okay, for the account holder. For the user, I created one structure. Then I am opening one file. I am storing all the details. I am creating the file, creating the account details, and storing all the details inside the file. Then three functions I am using here. First function is used to create the account. Second function is view the account, and third function is transaction. Okay, from one account to another account you are transferring the money, right? Like that I implemented three functions here. Now I will explain the program. Okay, so here first I included the header files. Header files are used to link your program with the predefined library functions. Then here I am created one structure. Okay, the structure name is account. Struct is a keyword, account is the structure name. The structure started here. These three are the structure elements. So this number denotes account number. This amount, that is transaction amount or how many amount is present in your account. Then this char name, this character string or this character array or string, it is used to denote the username. Okay. Then here I am going to implement three functions. One is create, another one is view, another one is transaction. Totally three functions I am using here. Okay, now this is the main program. Here only your C programming starts. All the C program must have one main function. The main is the starting position of your program. Okay, here void main is the starting position. Then here only your program starts. Okay, here for denoting ch, the ch denotes the choice. There is nothing but here I am implemented the switch case concept. In the first unit itself, I taught you what is switch case. If you want more choices in your logics, you are going for the switch case, right? Instead of going if else, you are going for the switch case. So this ch is used to get the input for the switch case. So while one, what is this while one? It's a infinite loops. One means true. Okay, while of one means continuously the loop will be rotated again and again. It will be iterated again and again. Always the condition will be true. Okay, I will tell why I use like this. Okay, first see the logic. First inside the while, first I am printing menu, then create account choice 1. If you are giving the choice input as 1, it denotes create account. If you given the choice account 2, it's view account details. If you create the choice 3, it will transfer the amount. 4 mean exit. So continuously the loop will be executed again and again till you press the choice 4. Once you press the choice 4, exit is a predefined function which terminates the program. All of you understood? Till that this function, this while loop will be rotated or iterated again. For that the reason I am using while of 1. Always the condition is true. Now you are getting the input for the ch. Okay, switch case input should be an integer or a character. It should have one ASCII value. As ch value, if the ch value is 1 means, for example, here you are giving the input 1 means, here also 1. Switch off 1 means what it will do? It will check the matches where the 1 is here. Here 1 is there. Switch case, this value will be checked or matched with all the cases. Here 1 means here 1. Once this case 1 executed, inside the case 1, create is a function call. Create is a function call. What is function call? Function call is used to invoke the function definition. So somewhere the function was written. From here the call will be going. Okay. So see here the function definition is there. Once the function call executed, directly the control will come to the function definition. Here I am using the file concept. Okay. So if you want to declare a file pointer, you have to use the predefined structure file in capital letter. Then fptr is the file pointer. Okay. Then for using the for loop and n number of account holders, I am using this two variable. Now already you created structure here, but the structure variable is created here. Okay, still that it is template, memory won't be assigned. Here only memory will be assigned. Once the structure variable you executed, once the structure variable got executed or defined, at that time only the memory will be assigned for this structure. Okay, now I am opening the file. I created already one file. This is the binary file. What is this WB? WB means write binary. If I am checking a if condition, if pointer equal to f open of, I am creating the file in the folder C colon, inside that in the C drive, inside that one folder turbo C3, inside that one file account.bin. Okay, it is a binary file. That's what the extension is, bin. Text file means txt. In write binary board. So what will happen? If the file is already there, it will truncate all the details and it will open the file. Suppose if the file is not there, means it will create the new file in the name. So I am checking whether the file is created or not. If the condition is true, means the file does not created, equal to null, that is empty, f pointer nullity, the file didn't create means it's null. So the condition is true. If the condition is true, means it will execute the program by typing this error message, file cannot open, exit. It will terminate the program. Otherwise, if the condition false, means directly it will come out of the if, enter the total number of customers. This n denotes number of customers. So you are giving the n value. For example, here I am going to give 2. Okay. Then for I equal to 1, less than equal to n. For 2 customers, I am creating the account number. Okay. For 2 customers, account holders, I want to get the details. I want to create the account. So account number, username, everything I want to collect it. For that I am using the for loop. Okay. For I equal to 1, I am fixing this account number for the first person is 1. Here I value is 1, right? So account number is 1. I initialize the I value. So the first person, what's the account number? 1. Then I am getting the account holder name. Enter the user ID. I value is 1. So username is account name. Okay. Why I am putting acc.name and acc.number? This number, this amount, and name is a structure. These are the structure elements. So for accessing the structure, how you will access? With the help of structure variable. That's what acc.number. Here also acc.name, structure variable dot name. So I got the account number. Here I get the input for the account name. Now initial deposit, initial amount, how much amount they are going to deposit. For that I am using this amount. So again structure variable dot. Why you are putting ld here? As you are using long, the control string of long is ld, that is long integer. Account dot amount. Now what are the details you are having? You are having the account number, then name of the user, then initial amount deposited. Now these are all the details you want to write inside the file. So how you will write? Here I am using a structure. If you want to write the bulk of data, means you are going to write f write. Okay. What's the syntax of f write? F write, here pointer. Pointer holds address. So this structure address I am giving. Then how many bytes you have to write, that you have to mention. That's what size of struct account. What's the size here? Integer is 2 bytes. Here it is 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 20. 6 plus 20. Totally 26. So 26 bytes you are going to write. How many times you are going to write? One time you are going to write. Where you are going to write? This FPTR, that is account.bin. All of you understood? So first one is pointer holds the address. You are passing the structure address. Then how many bytes you want to write? Then how many times? One time I want to write, so I am putting 1. Then where, which file? Inside the account.bin I am writing all these things. Then I am closing the file. Again, once this function definition executed, again it will go back to the main program. So again it will ask the option like this, menu, create account. That's what I use while of 1 here. Again it will ask create account, view account detail, transfer. Now I want to use the function view account detail. Why? Already I created the account for 2 holders and I put the initial amount. Now I want to view these details. So I am again getting the choice. My choice is now 2. So this case 2 will be executed. Inside the case 2, view function call is there. Once the view function call executed, it's directly come to the function definition view. Again I am creating a file pointer here. Okay, because the file pointer what you created in the different function should not exceed here. Why? It's a temporary variable. You are not created as globally. You are created the file pointer in another function. So the accessibility cannot be allowed here. So you have to create the separate file pointer here. Okay, again for using the numbers I am using n. This is the structure variable. Struct account is the structure name, ACC is the structure variable. Again the same file whatever you used in the create function, the same file I am opening here. If file pointer equal to open of the particular file in read mode. Now I want to just view it, right? So I am opening the read binary. Okay, equal to null. I am checking whether the file is there or not. The file is not there. If this condition is true, it will print the error message, file cannot open and exit. Else the condition is false means it will come to the while loop. It will come to the while loop. Okay, again while of 1, it's an infinite loop. It will be executed again and again. So here I am checking one condition. If I press the input as -1 means I want to break the loop. Break is used to break the while loop. Okay, if I am giving other values means it will show all the details. Okay, scanf n value, enter the customer number to view. If you are giving 1, it will give the details of first customer. If you give 2, it will display the second customer name. If you give -1, it will break up the loop. So for seeking, for example, my input value is 2. So it will be stored in the file after the first account holders details, right? So each structure has separate memory. That is how it will store means one file got generated. Inside the file, in the first position, the first 20 position, the file, the account holder name first, then account holder number, name, then initial amount. After completing these details, the second account holders number, name, amount. So I want to seek the file. If I want to access the second person means I want to seek the file. That's what I am using fseek of. What's the use of fseek? From the starting position to I want to access only the second customer details. It should not be affect the first customer detail. So I am checking I am starting from the starting position up and reach the ending position of the first customer and viewing the second customer detail. That's what I am seeking here. Okay, fseek of, what's the file pointer name? FPTR. If n minus, actually it is starting from 0th position. File is starting from 0th position. That's what you are giving, n minus 1. Okay, if second person means it should be in the first location. Okay, that's what n minus 1 into, that is 1 into struct of 20. So 20 bytes it will seek. Okay, 1 into 20 bytes it will seek. From where? From 0th position to 20 bytes it will seek and it will reach the second customer detail. From there I am reading the second customer detail. by using fread, the same syntax of fread. First pointer, that I am giving the structure address. How many bytes you want to read? 26 bytes, right? The size of the structure is 26 bytes. So it 26 bytes you are going to read. Here also 20 bytes, 26 bytes it will see. Then 27 bytes to another 26 it will read. Okay. How many times it want to read? Only one time it want to read. From where? From the file name turbo the account.bin. Inside the folder turbo C3. Okay. What are the things you read? You want to display it. So again, customer number first it will display. Then customer name it will be displayed. Then the initial amount, balance, everything will be displayed here. Again the loop will be executed again. If you are giving -1, it will break and come out of the loop. Here I am closing the program. Okay. Again it will go to the main program. Again it will ask, you want to create the account or view account detail or transfer amount. Here now I am going to use the transfer function. So which choice you have to give? You have to give the choice 3. If the choice is 3 means this case will be executed. So here it's another function call. The function call name is transfer. Okay. So it will go to the function definition. For transferring the amount, we need 2 address, right? So here I am creating 2 variable. One is from number, from account number. Second one is to account number. Then transaction amount, how much amount you want to transfer, that is long. Okay. Then here again I am creating a structure variable. 3 structure variable I am creating. Okay. First one is account, ACC is one structure variable. Then from account is one structure variable. And to account is another structure variable. Totally 3 structure variables. Totally 3 variables denotes different address. It will be stored in various places. Okay, that's the meaning. Again I am opening a file. I am checking in R plus RB plus. What is RB plus? Read binary plus. Here I can use read plus write. The same thing I am checking by opening. If the condition is true, it will print the error message. If it is false, it will come out. So here I am getting the from account number. Then I am getting the to account number. Then I am getting the how many amount you want to transfer. That is transaction amount. Okay. Now from the first from account, I want to take the money and put into the to account. So I want to seek it to the first position. Already now the file cursor is nearly in the 56th, 26, 26, 40, 52 position. You want to come back to the first position. So fseek of file pointer from number, that is account number 1. So 0th position, first to 26. Okay, 0 to first to 26. It will seek to the 0th position. It will seek, and using fread, first 26 bytes will be read one time from the file pointer. Okay, that is account number 1 details will be read. Similarly, to account also. You are seeking the to account and read the second to account detail also. How much amount is already there. Okay. Now from account is the structure variable dot amount. Okay. From account dot amount equal to from account dot amount minus this transaction amount. How much amount do you want to transfer from the from account to the to account? It should be minus here, right? So that only the amount will be reduced from first account. So only I am using this condition. The amount from account amount minus transaction amount. Similarly, I want to add the transaction amount to the, where I want to add it? I want to account. So to account equal to account plus transaction amount. Now again I want to seek the position, so that only I can write it. So here the amount was reduced, right? I want to update this thing in the from account. So again FTR, I am using fseek and coming to the starting position, and I am updating the amount how much available now, remaining balance. Similarly fseek of to, okay, to account, again I am writing here the amount how much it's updated. Okay, again once it's completed, close the program and you are coming to the main program. Again, if you are giving the choice 4, it will execute and come out of this program. Okay. So from the switch case, I am accessing all the functions one by one. Now you can see the output here. First, create account, view account, transfer account. First, I am giving the choice 1. So total 3 account, enter the total number of customers. Here I created 3. Okay, so we know the amount, then one, the account number of is 1, name is Vino, and the amount is 75,000, then 70, then 90,000. Here second holder name is Ranjit, third holder name is Ram. Okay, again it will ask, create the account, view the which option you want to select. Here I am selecting the choice 2. So enter the customer number to view. So second customer details I am viewing. Okay, so the account number is 2, then customer name is Ranjit, balance is 70,000. Okay, like that one by one I am viewing. Then once you press -1, it will be come out. Okay, then again it will ask, I am giving the option 3. So I am transferring from the second person to first person. Again, here the second person amount was reduced, here the second person amount was increased. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. This is one of the illustrative example. From this your 5th unit got over. Thank you, students.